Rock of Moses, Split Rock of Moses. Split Rock of Moses.
Sila yung nakatila.
Split Rock.
Sila nakatila dati yan. May picture sila dyan.
Diyan ganyan.
Diyan nag-ano. Tingnan mo, diyan naglabas ng water.
Diyan naglag. Hared and my wife try to go up to that Horeb. Knock knock. Brother Benji is on the top already. We're there already sa ano, it's Brother Benji. Brother Benji Pachoco. Sinasabi nila na hello guys, we are here at the foot of the Mount Moses Rock, Moses Split Rock.
Nasa second floor sila.
Opo, punta tayo doon. So we are going to climb up on that area. Oh guys, as you can see how far we are already before we reach the summit. The top of that coder is there already before we arrive at the summit. There already, our team was there, our fellow was there.
Whoa, whoa,
Was
whoa!
there at the, we are here already at the top of that mountain. We're almost there. At the Nana is on the summit already, guys. We are here already at the summit. At the summit, wow. Nanay, say hello.
Shalal. Asa si Shalal? Nandyan?
Shalal, nandun pa ata sa Golden Coffee. Tama ba? Trivia lang ha. Para aware nyo ba? So,
For second time.
Split Rock is a monument of God's grace and God's goodness
Man,
and mercy over the Israelites.
man.
Kahit na lagi silang nagre-reklamo, lagi silang complain. Lagi sinasabi ay, bakit mo kami dalala dito, Moses? Gusto mo ba kami mamatay sa uhaw, sa gutom? Mas maganda pang iniwan mo na kami sa Egypto kung saan meron. Kung may mapapasin po kayo doon, may mapapasin kayong mark ng Golden Calf, ay mga calf, diba? Pero hindi nyo po rin napansin doon, may mga, kung bukas po yun, meron pong portion, may portion po doon na, alam niyo po yung Minoria?
Candle.
Seven lampstand. Meron pong larawan ng Minoria doon na binura, as in sinira.
Guys, we are at the top. We are on the summit already of the rock. Look at that, Hared is with me. So I climbed while carrying Hared. Praise God. We make it through. Goodbye, goodbye, Split Rock of Moses. Till we see each other again.